Hello guys, my name is Steven. I would like to talk about how to do your first lending on Bitcoin. Let's have a look on market cap, coin market cap. BCC coin was less than $1 in January 2017. And let's look at today, November 26. It worth $300. That's a massive and profitable investment just by buying and holding their token. Now, I want to talk about how to do your first lending on the platform. First, you will have to register. And it's free to register. You register, keep your credential details, and then what next? You need to go and register on an exchange. The exchange that I use is Coinbase. Coinbase. This is where you will buy Bitcoin, because for you to participate in this investment, to be able to get your daily return, daily profit, you will first of all buy Bitcoin. After you bought Bitcoin, you will now send the Bitcoin that you bought from this exchange, from this external exchange, you will send it down to Bitconnect, Bitcoin wallet, or your Bitconnect platform. After you register, this is how your dashboard will look like after your registration with bitconnect.co. And then you will go to receive Bitcoin BTC. When you click on this, it will pop out. It will generate an address, receiving address for you, which you will copy the address, and then let me just do it. This is how the address look like. Long letters mixed with alphabet and numbers like that. You will now come to Coinbase. You will go to your account. Then you will click send Bitcoin. It will request for receiving address. Please do not forget, you can only send Bitcoin to Bitcoin wallet. So you will now paste the address that was generated from this green button under the receive Bitcoin. You will paste it onto your sending icon on Coinbase. After you have sent it over to Bitconnect, Bitcoin wallet, it will show here. If you haven't received it here, don't be panic. Just scroll down a little bit. You will see incoming transaction. You will see your long address here and the amount of money worth of Bitcoin that you have sent from Coinbase will show here unconfirmed. That means the system has recorded it, but it's not yet confirmed. That means your transaction is still on blockchain to be confirmed. After a while, it will pop up here. You will see your Bitcoin here in form of digits. This is Satoshi. If you from here, you will see it here. And then what next after that? You will now have to buy the Bitconnect token, that is BCC. And as of today, it's what 1 BCC equals to 303.45 cents dollars. Then you will have to click exchange. After you go to the exchange, okay, this is the exchange. Don't forget these are the buying orders, these are the selling orders. So now we want to buy BCC because we receive Bitcoin that we send from our Coinbase. Now that you have your Bitcoin balance, which will show here that available balance of BTC, that is Bitcoin, you want to buy this BCC, that is Bitconnect token, with your Bitcoin. You want to exchange it so that when you buy the BCC, then you can move to the next stage of lending this BCC token out to the trading bot, which will be earning you daily profit. We're paying you daily interest, which is averagely 0.95%, but sometimes it's way more than that. So I will use 0.95% or 0.90% to explain in this video. So after you have purchased your Bitconnect, because at this time you have balance here of your BTC, then you want to click last, that is the last price of BCC token, and then you want to click buy Bitconnect. If you want to spend all your Bitcoin, you click all, everything will show there. Then you click buy. After you bought this Bitconnect, then come back to your dashboard, refresh the page, that is refreshing. Then from your wallet, Bitcoin wallet, all the Bitcoin you've got here have already exchanged for Bitconnect. Then in this wallet, you will now see the balance of your Bitconnect. So let's say I want to do lending now because I already passed the first and second stage. First stage, register. Second stage, register on Coinbase, buy Bitcoin, and send your Bitcoin out to receiving Bitcoin address on Bitconnect, which is this receiving address here, by clicking this green button down there. By clicking this green button. So now, the next stage now, I want to do lending. I want to lend. This is the most exciting stage. When you click on this blue button here, lend Bitconnect, that is, you want to lend your newly purchased coin, Bitconnect coin, to the trading bot to enable you to be earning daily interest based on the total amount of money you lend out. Click Lend Bitconnect. enter the value of the amount you want to lend out in dollars, which will now automatically show the value of it in BCC token, which you bought. Whatever amount of money you key in here that you're already willing to invest, we automatically select any of this category down here. If you want to invest between $100 to $1,000, there will be an highlight like this. It will come on this, that this is the amount of money you are lending. Let's say, for instance, I put $100 there. As you can see, there is an highlight on that category. If I put 1,010 dollars, it comes down to $1,010, which means that is the category, lending category that I fall. So now, if you want to lend, for example, $100, your $100 will be locked up for 299 days. After these 299 days, your capital will be released to you, which is your $100. And before that, every day after you do your first lending, exactly in 24 hours, exact time that you do your lending, the trading board will pay you your interest rate. Like I said, in this video, I will use average of 0.95% will be paid out to you. The same thing applies to the rest of this category. If you lend out $1,010 up to $5,000, you will, let me just put it there. As you can see, the highlight just scroll down automatically to you will be having the benefit of additional 0.10% daily interest, and your capital will be released back to you on after 239 days. That means you get additional 0.10% plus, that is plus the normal actual daily interest rate. Let's say, for example, it's 0.95% average plus 10, that is 1.05% you will be getting, whereby someone in this first category will receive just 0.95%. So it's like the higher investment, the higher the benefit you will reap. And then the same thing applies. From 5,010 to 10,000, additional 0.20% daily, and your capital will be locked up for 179 days. $10,010 to $100, your capital will be locked up for 120 days, plus the advantage of additional 0.25% daily interest. What else do we need to do? Is just to click pay from Bitconnect wallet, and then we need to confirm it. First of all, you agree to the terms and conditions, pay, and you click confirm. lending. That's it. You have just done your first. It will show congratulations, you have done your lending. So after that, now let us have a look at the past 7 days, 5 days volatility price. As we can see, unlike the next interest rate will be 1.05%. The other one that today that was 0.78%. So me that I do lending of let's say $1,010, that means I'm having additional 0.10% on top of this daily interest. And this daily interest can be varied, like let's say 1 month. These are the daily interest charge for 1 month. You see, we have 0.95, that's October 27, October 28, 0.95. So there are some days low, more days are high anyway. If you look at this chart, more days are high than lows. So you see 1.88%, that's amazing. Plus if you've done lending of over 1,000, like 1,010, you have additional 0.10%. You see, which made it 1.98%. So that's it. That's how it goes. See, we have 1.5%, 1.95, 1.95. See that? So that's how it goes. And then that's it. That's how you do your first lending. And after you've done your lending, the following day, you will receive your daily interest at exact time. For example, I'll show you. These are my transactions. As currently, I'm having $25.31 in my lending wallet, and this $25.31 I can withdraw it at any time, but it is advisable to reinvest, to accumulate your interest, to compound your interest, to be enable you to earn much more daily interest. Unlike for myself, I'm earning about almost $300 daily. So this $25.31, and the time now is 10:47 p.m. By the time I sleep, waking up in the morning, I'll be seeing roughly almost $300 here because of this profit. You see, these are my transactions. These are my transactions. That is how my interests, they are coming into my account. For example, 26:08, 34 a.m. in the morning, 1.95 bouncing, 0.16 cent bouncing, $92 bouncing based on the interest rate. That is 0.98. As you can see, this is bigger than the rest of these three because it's from lending of $9,400, because I earn additional 0.15% plus this 0.78%. And if you look at $1,090, which is over $1,010, I have additional 0.10%. If you had 10 plus 78, makes it 88%. So It's like that. And I want you guys to understand that all this 200, 440, 1040, 1040, 660, 1090, all those amount of money, I didn't put them there. I made them from this platform and reinvest them back into the system to enable me to acquire more daily profit, that is compounding my interest. So that is how it goes. And I've heard a lot about people say Bitconnect is a scam, it's a Ponzi. Of course, I understand everybody's view, comments. Unlike myself, I was scared at first because this is what involves your hand-hard money, money that you work so hard for, and you want to invest in order because you want to be able to make profit from your investment on platform like this. And this made me to come up with this. I did this. Bitconnect, the genius crypto lending platform. Is the platform giving back daily profits as agreed? Are we making profits? Is the platform sustainable? Is this a Ponzi scheme? Well, I was so like worried. Of course, they said don't invest what you can't be able to lose. So I did some research. I kept digging and digging. And from a simple, like as a human being, just sit down and think, just quick thinking. We learned out, we learned out, like earlier on, we learned out how Bitconnect to them. But before that, we bought Bitcoin from Coinbase. We bought Bitcoin from Coinbase, and then we send that Bitcoin down to Bitconnect wallet on Bitconnect lending platform. So when we receive the Bitcoin in our wallet, in our Bitcoin wallet, we exchange it rather. We exchange this Bitcoin for Bitconnect. So during this exchange, Bitconnect already made some profit by having your Bitcoin in their possession. As we all know, Bitcoin increases in value every time. It's just keep going up because it's the number one. Bitcoin is the number one of the cryptocurrency. All other ones, they are just struggling for nothing. This is the main man, Bitcoin. So by exchanging that, they hold your Bitcoin. And then in exchange for their token, Bitconnect BCC token. And again, you are lending the token back to them. Besides, they already make money by holding your Bitcoin that increases in value every day. The value of Bitcoin you are exchanging to them for their coin until the 300 and whatever date that you have to your capital release date, until your capital release date, your Bitcoin you are lending out to them here must have already increased in value in multiple fold. One, and you should know that your Bitcoin is not your Bitcoin anymore because you already exchanged it for Bitconnect coin. And then the Bitconnect coin that you are lending back to them as well on that same particular day will increase in value as well until your capital release date, and they are paying you back dollar equivalent that you lend them, that the worth of that coin that you lend to them on the lending date. Let's go back to coin market cap. So if you do your lending on April 26, 25 or 24, your Bitconnect coin worth 9.75 and you lend it for 299 days, which is about roughly 9 months. April, May, June, July, let's just do 3 months. Then 4 months, 120 days. January, February, April, May, June, July, August. Like now, let's go to August. You lend it to them at the worth of $9.93. Let's go to August. August. Imagine that it has increased to 116.78.77 in August from 9.90. This is crazy. They are paying you back the value of it at the rate of $9.19. The differences of the increment in the value, they are pocketing it and they are paying us little amount of money. I think this is sustainable. It's sustainable. It is sustainable. If we look at it very well, it is sustainable. And is this a Ponzi scheme? They have already proved several times to me personally as an investor, whereby, unlike a few days ago, when the trading volatility was not really okay, there is this circuit breaker that just come in and shut down the trading platform for just 2 hours to prevent panicking and to enable the platform to keep going on and on and on, to avoid to enable them to keep sustaining themselves on trading platform. So all these things shows that Bitconnect is quite sustainable to me. Of course, your opinion matters as well. So if you think that Bitconnect is not sustainable, please comment below, turn on your notification, and then please kindly like my video and let us share our own opinion together. We do not need to embarrass each other or use bad words for one another. This is my opinion, and I'm into it. And you can comment. And if you would like to join my team, my link is below. Join my team, and I can be able to give